Y'all already know what we doing, man. Back to it. Got another one, another 5 Series, 2016, low mileage, title in hand, runs and drives. I'm gonna have this done in a few days. Give me some time to get the parts, and we gonna be sturdy. You know the vibe. Fresh out of the auction. Easy fix once again. Yeah, you know I'm getting right to it. Same day, already got a few of the suspension parts. It's the control arms we changing. 2 control arms, the axle, and the in and out of tie rod. That's what took a hit in the suspension. Watch how I turn this into the M50. Finally, the F90 kit is here, so now I'm about to start making magic happen. Just stay tuned. And see what it is. Got the kit here. It's everything, it's everything. Yeah, this is everything here. This is the front bumper, the rear bumper, the fenders, the side skirts, the interior parts. You know, I ordered the steering wheel and everything. Parts everywhere. Headlights, got the tires, the rims, everything. Bumpers, fenders in there. Get these cars fixed quick. You see the details. You know the vibes, man. Out here working on a Sunday with my boy. Right, Cash? We almost ready, man. Almost. Look, this is how everything looked before. It's the old display. Old steering wheel, old cluster. Old shift knob. I'm gonna change everything here. Progress, man, progress. This is easy. To show you how I changed this cluster in 5 minutes. I'm gonna go disconnect the battery so there's no power going to the car, and I'm gonna upgrade it. I had to pull up to the spot, get the tints real quick. Can't be out here rocking that fishbowl game for real. Come on, you know I had to pull up on my boy, get that tune, get the downpipes installed, charge pipe, intercooler, all that good stuff. Get some power on this.
Hold on, you really want to do something?
Come on, man, you see the vibes. Crystal knob, you know what I'm saying? Got the stage 2 tune, got the rear wheel drive xDelete, stage 2 transmission tune, pushing almost 500 horsepower. You know I gotta get that wheel alignment once I'm done with the repairs to get it right. Only way to enter a highway, man. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, this joint drives sturdy. Fire. 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 version came out fire. A lot of people ask me why I got a trailer hitch on the Beamer. This is why. Gotta have my toys, you feel me? Once you finish the car, you gotta bring it to a salvage facility. Every state is different, you feel me? I'm in New York, I'm in the Bronx site. If you know, you know. Make sure you bring your receipts for everything you changed on the car. Feel me? You bring it in here, they inspect the car, check your receipts, if everything is good. You're gonna get a rebuilt title from your DMV. You're gonna be able to get full coverage and register your car. You got a lot of people saying, oh, you can't register salvage cars. Well, this is where you bring it to for them to inspect it and give you your rebuilt title. After that, you good money. Look, you see what the car looked like, how much I paid for it. You see what it looked like now? Fire. Big difference, you feel me? Went from the old look to the new look. And it wasn't even that expensive. Look at that. $2,700, and they bring all these parts. Look at that. It came with everything. Bring it from that look right there. That's what I was supposed to look like. But now I look like that. See that? And it came with everything. Headlights, tail lights, bumpers, side skirts. You feel me? Everything you need. Hood. And that's the outcome. You feel me? I got everything though. You know, I did the cluster. I did the shift knob. The radio. Like I said, and this is aftermarket. A lot of people don't like aftermarket. They say the fitment is crazy, but if you look at, feel me? That fitment is fire. For aftermarket, that's a fire look. Can't go wrong. But yeah, y'all seen it. Y'all seen the price. You feel me? eBay parts, aftermarket parts on this whole car. I didn't go to the dealer for not one part on this car. I know a lot of people's dealer only. That's not my vibe, you feel me? Whenever I'm dealing with salvage, I'm looking to save money. For all that, I just go to the dealer and get one of the cars brand new or something. I'm not gonna go buy a salvage car and put all dealer parts on it. Like I said, what works for you, you feel me? The only time I ever have to go to the dealer usually is for airbags, because in New York, you can't put used airbags in the, you know what I'm saying, the car. Every state is different though. Some states allow it. But yeah, you see, it came with everything. For that price, bringing all those parts, and you've seen the fitment, you've seen the lineup. So I want to say, you know, with the car, getting the parts and everything, and also getting the tune. You hear that? You feel me? All of that all together, and I'm under 10K. Fixing it up, tuning it, stage 2+. And I had this car on the road for almost 2 years now. So all those people that say, oh, that car will never drive the same, I had it for 2 years, no issues. So